Here we'll be taking a look at the appointment section inside a client file. Right now we are in a client file looking at the contact summary page, and to get to appointments we're going to move our mouse to the left and click on this appointments icon right here. And we could also click the three lines up here to pin this menu in place, and then you'll see that this is appointments. And you'll also notice that if there's an upcoming appointment, that appointment will display right here. So on the appointment page, you'll see that our upcoming appointment is listed right here. It is highlighted in yellow to indicate that it's upcoming. And the way this page works is, by default, every appointment that the client has had scheduled during this calendar year will display on this page. In order to see past appointments that the client has had, you're going to click on this All Appointments checkbox, and that will then display every appointment that the client has had. And so we see we have one back here from 2023. Our View button, if you click on this eye, this will then take you to that appointment. It'll pull up the appointment calendar, it'll default to that particular day, and then our appointment details will have that information for that appointment. If I go back, we have date, which is the date that the appointment was scheduled, the start time of that appointment, the appointment notes. So if we had any notes added to that appointment when we scheduled it, that is this column or this field right here. Those notes will then display. The time is the duration of the appointment. The requested user is who that requested user is set up as when you're making the appointment. The site is the site location of that appointment. Business type is what kind of appointment that is. And then kept appointment works where if they kept that appointment, there'll be a checkbox right there. And the way that this feature works is if we were to check this client in, so if I go to that appointment on the calendar, there is this check-in button right here. And when I do this, this will prompt me to create the next account year for the business type that is scheduled. And then also when I click check in, it'll create that account, but then also it will add that checkbox into this kept appointment column. And then lastly, we have type, and that is what appointment type was selected when creating this appointment. Then lastly, we have this schedule button right up here. And so this is a way just to schedule a new appointment for this client. We click on schedule. This will take us to the appointment calendar, where then we can choose, say that they want to come in on the 12th, start time 10 a.m., and then we can fill in this information and create that appointment. So that is it for the appointment section inside a client file. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Adam Support. Thank you.